Great! We will now start to prepare the results, which will be presented later. We would focus on these pieces of code in this video. You could get these codes from the file we attached. To set off, we will copy the data from the data frame that we define at early stage. There are two kinds of columns, some are the same as the by-signal data frame. We define these to be results columns 1. The rest variables for later portfolio analysis, we will define them to be columns 2. We will also set the values of some of columns to be 0 using a loop. Then we will copy the columns from by-signals data frame to the results data frame. Next, we are going to fill in the data in result data frame containing all dates. Remember, previous data frames only contain the dates we made transaction. For all data points in the results data frame, if the realized value is 0, we will define it to be the same as the last period. Here 0 indicates that this data belongs to the months we newly added to the results data frame. For all tickers, if the output is the same as the previous one, which means we are keeping the ticker choice, then the quantity will not be changed. Otherwise, if the output is not a given ticker, then the quantity will be 0. The total quantity is the sum of the quantity of the 3 tickers. Similar to realized value, the cash account will be the same as the last period if it is 0. Then, we will move on to the portfolio value. We will first define the initialized value of portfolio value and portfolio maximum value. In this example, we set both of them to be 1 million. Using a for loop, we will calculate the portfolio values in different months. It is simply the sum of the product of quantity and price. We will use a max function to calculate the maximum value. Drawdown is defined as the percentage change of the change from maximum portfolio value to current portfolio value. Next, we will define the initialized value of both percentage change monthly and percentage change benchmark as 0. Then, using another for loop, we will calculate all the max portfolio values and portfolio values using the usual method of calculating the percentage change. That's all for the calculation of the result. In the next video, we will talk about how to present the results in a decent way by sending message and transforming this program to a Flask web app which can generate a HTML page. See you in the next video.